Hi mateys, it's Thursday, 10th of September 2020. Yeah, a couple unusual things. Been watching the sparrows and the squirrels and the wildlife. There's a squirrel right over there, one of many. And the sparrows have been flitting around. And they've been concentrating their time right through here. I was sitting over there at the table, taking a break. And these sparrows are everywhere. But when I talk about everywhere, when I walked over this way to get the camera out of the truck, they happened to notice our little water bowl. This is sad. Too much to drink? You overdid it. Alright. Don't know why. He will be cremated. Maybe not tonight, but soon. It's sad to see a bird or anything pass away. But yeah, the sparrows are everywhere. Whoops. I bumped the camera, sorry. Okay, now they're over in the neighbor's yard. Well, maybe it's not the same sparrows, but let's see if I can get over here and... Oh, I scared them. Maybe they'll come back. Got two squirrels over there. 3. 1, 2, 3. The sparrows all went in the tree. Maybe if I'm quiet, they will come back. Or not. I don't know. They're flying all over the place. It's almost like that time of year where they get together in huge clouds. Not sure what that means. Okay, mateys. It was just a short update to let you know that I found a poor sparrow passed away in the water bowl. I know we have good water. Alright. Fair winds, smiles, and may God bless. Talk to you soon.